Man, I kind of hate to put plastics on until we get this all cleaned out. What do you get when you fall in love? Since we're already tore down so far, you know what we should do?
What?
Just take that damn carb out, check the plug, clean the carb. I mean, it's only 2 more bolts, you know? It's a hell of a lot better to do it now than realizing we're going to need it later. All is calm, all is bright. Let's get this oil out of here. Yummy.
The craftsman? You did speak to me.
It's a fair point. What do you know? 14. I'm good. It only took me 3 different ones, right? Oh, what?
Yeah.
Good. I'll take it. There we go. I wasn't all the way down on the floor. See what I'm saying? Mechanics, not a strength. That's wild, man. How do I still have this? I can't even keep track of a Phillips screwdriver once I put it down, you know?
Yeah.
There we go. All right. All right.